What's up, everyone? Now that everybody knows where we're at, and if you don't know where we're at, we're down at Sabang, Puerto Galera. Go back and check out the last video. All right, we're down here again, doing some diving and hanging out. Did our dive this morning. It was a fun dive. Visibility was wasn't that great. You got to understand something. The typhoon just rolled through the Philippines here the past few days, and it's finally out, so you still have that water turning up. Plus, when we went out, tide was going out, so everything was stirred up from tide coming in then going out. But it was still a good dive. That first dive we get in, just refamiliarize myself with breathing underwater and buoyancy and all the other fun stuff. I'm not going to bore you with technical talk, but yes, it was a good dive. Refamiliarized myself with my camera, and boy, there's a couple times I was pissed because I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I got that straightened out. But anyways, I know people love to see the underwater diving, underwater life, the coral, the fish. Like I said, first time in over a year, getting the glitches out of the camera and myself. So anyways, guys, enjoy our first dive down here. All right, I've had a few people ask me in the comment section, what about nightlife down here? Is there a nightlife down here in Sabang, Puerto Galera? Do I need to be a diver to come down? No, you don't need to be a diver to come down to Sabang, Puerto Galera. There is a nightlife here. There's clubs here. There's lady bar entertainments here. There's bands that play. You can come down here and enjoy your stay down here. You don't have to be a diver. However, guys, I highly recommend getting certified to dive. I'm going to take a little walk this evening, show you the entertainment area here. I know a lot of people, they do enjoy seeing this through here, see how much has grown, but it's very tiny. This whole area down here is very tiny. If you're looking for like huge entertainment area, like say a Makati, BGC, Angeles City, it's not like that. But it is a neat little fun little town. Restaurants, plenty of restaurants to eat at. Tiny, there's like a little grocery store here on the right hand side. 7-Eleven here. massage places here, legitimate massage places. They even have some little wet markets. You can grab some, you know, fruits, vegetables, things like that. They have money changers here. Huh? Jackfruit? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'll show you. Here. These people set up every evening. And some jackfruit right here. Jackfruit.
No, this is durian. This is
Durian. Oh, that's the durian. That's the smelly good stuff. That's jackfruit. Mangosteen. Of course, mangoes, apples, oranges, grapes, bananas. But they do have little shops like that through here. And they even have little meat shops where you can buy fresh meat, chicken, vegetables, hair salon, nail salons, big trucks. Look out. That's part of the project. The concrete walkway they're doing. Here comes the workers right here. All right. There's your workers right there, going home for the day. Plenty of places to stay. Like I said, I recommend Captain Greg's. I'd say there. Jack Daniels. I'd say to a place called Jack Daniels. Plenty of places. Go online. You want to spend a ton of money at a nice resort. They even got shawarma, delicious shawarma. There's your little 7-Eleven. That was closed the last time we were here. But this is it. Like I said, I will show you other areas here for entertainment. It's funny because it's like this little city here, it's a barangay, right? Look, it's just like a barangay, but there's a lot of action going on. But it's small. Puerto Galera is Puerto Galera. Sabang is Puerto Galera, but it's Sabang Puerto Galera. That's no pink toki. That's no. Let me just walk down here. We're gonna make this one video and I'll show you the entertainment area. Queens Bar and Restaurant. If I'm not mistaken, hello. If I'm not mistaken, you guys have bands. Oh, you have bands in here, right? You guys have bands? Bands?
Yeah,
bands and music? And,
yes, everything.
all right, cool, thank you. This is just this small area here. Good Shots Resto. It's very narrow through here too. You gotta walk, like you gotta watch or you could get clipped. Here's another restaurant here. Today's specials right there. American breakfast, Filipino breakfast, crispy pata, bulalu, fish and chips, seafood, lumay, fruit shakes, fried rice, and hamburgers. Hello. Just showing my subscribers your little area here. Giving them a place to eat when they come here. An idea. Thank you. They even have a little hardware store here. Bike rentals, they have motorbike rentals, so if you get here and you want to rent a motorbike, they have motorbike rentals here. Once again, I always say negotiate, get a good price. That was supposed to be a pharmacy, but that's gone. Even selfies. TikTok? Are you TikTokers? No? Clothing, and of course they have, you know, dive shops where you can buy some dive gear and things like that. Look at it, it's very narrow through here. There's another mini mart. That's another mini mart over there.
Yeah, that one there is better.
Yeah. Buy fruits, vegetables. Another salon. Here's a Mila's restaurant.
This one before?
Mila's? This was open before?
Open, yeah.
This was open before? Are you sure?
Yeah, this is where we...
They've just enclosed that?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is where we drink.
There's stations. So this was open at one time. Let me ask you, I can't remember. How do I get in there? Right here. This little doorway. Hello. You guys enclosed this. Wasn't this open before? like the front end was open before, right? Yeah, and you guys just enclosed this now.
Yeah,
A year?
because it's a different owner.
A different owner, so a different owner, and then they enclosed it. All right, because it was open before.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I remember that. All right, looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I knew it. They put a wall up here now. You just walked in here before. There's a little tiny little door there now. Thank you. New owner, look. New owner. Purify water. Another salon. There's another little market here. Fruits and vegetables and rices and all some goodies in there. It's like where the locals shop, right? Look, the locals, a lot of locals will shop through here.
Like that's the talipapa.
Right, like their talipapa. Is that new? Chucks to go? Okay, even a Chucks to go here. A lot of changes. We were here last June, so within a year, things changed. Some of the places still remain the same. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Pizza joint there. All back in there is all housing. Here it is. Here's our little market. Yeah, the little market. Let me walk in here. See what's in here. Got some fish, chicken, shrimp, fish head.
Fish head,
Fish head. Oh, got some crabs. We got some crabs. A little bit of everything in here. What are these? Clam, like a little clam, right? Little clam? Clam. Oh, there's your clams.
Yeah.
What are these? Like just a baby, smaller. Yeah. All right.
Baby clam.
Baby clam. Another kind of fish. Hello. Look at ends. Look at dead ends down here. These are just the local people. Tilapia. What kind of fish is that? Bungles? No, bungles. Bungles or mungus? Bungus. There it is. Thank you. What else is back in here? Oh, it goes back here now. You can bring your car here, bring your motorcycle here. They have public parking all back and through here. It's very cheap. We park in there when we come. What I mean by cheap, I'll show you. You pay the lady up here. Oh, there's look. Here's your prices to park when you get here. Hello, Auntie. 10 pesos for motorcycle, 20 for a trike, 20 for a Jeep, overnight 40, private car 50, delivery truck 50. What's up?
Do you have the key of the car?
Key to the car? No, I don't. Sorry. Crap. I don't want to make these videos too long because to upload it, it's a pain. But you guys see it. You guys see it. I'm not going to walk up there. It's kind of little trinket stores. Hello. But you guys see it. That there is pretty much the extent. However, besides the entertainment district, that's kind of like the extent of the main city here of Sabang, your common area. So stay tuned for the next video. The next video, I'm going to show you the entertainment area, the entertainment district down here in Sabang, Puerto Galera.